If you're looking for a chicken wings recipe to try, then let me show you how you can make this irresistible peppered chicken wings. So we're going to get our chicken wings, wash them properly and cut off that tail end, then use a paper towel to tap off the excess moisture, and then we're going to season with some spices that I'll be leaving in the description box so you can check out, and then we're going to mix this together properly. So after mixing it, we're going to cover with a cling film and allow to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. I allowed mine to marinate overnight, and then we're going to take this out, lay it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then we're going to bake it in a preheated oven for first 20 minutes on this side. So while that is baking, we're going to prepare the peppers we'll be using. So I'm using some bell peppers, 1 long red pepper, some tomatoes, some garlic, and 1 green pepper and white onions, but you can also use red onion. So after the first 20 minutes of the chicken baking, we are going to take it out, flip this over, and bake for another 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, the chicken is ready. We are going to be transferring them into a plate. So in the same baking tray, we're going to be lining up the peppers. I'm only going to be using half of the green pepper and half of the onions. We're going to line this up, and then we're going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. We just want it to release its natural sweetness and just char up a little bit. And then after baking, this is what it should look like. This is exactly what we want it to look like. And then we're going to go ahead to use a food processor to just blend this up roughly. So while blending, I'm going to add in some Scotch bonnet peppers, and this is what the peppers look like. Now to make the pepper tails, we'll be adding in some oil into a pan, then going in with some of that white onions and the white part of some spring onions. Allow this to fry for about 2 minutes, then go in with some tomato paste. Allow this to fry for about 5 minutes before adding in the blended peppers. So we're going to allow this to fry for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it has lost all its sour taste. And then we're going to go ahead to season. So to season, I'll be using some paprika, thyme, curry, and some chicken bouillon cubes. You'll find the full ingredient list in the description box so you can check it out. Then we're going to allow this to fry for about 2 minutes before going in with the chicken wings. After adding the chicken wings, we are going to mix this together. Now you can add in a little bit of water or chicken broth if the sauce is too thick for you. Now I'm going in with a little bit of white and black pepper and the green part of some spring onions. We're going to mix this together, and your delicious pot of peppered chicken wings is ready to be enjoyed. I do hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Till I come your way with another recipe. Bye.